Nearly 9 out of 10 drivers are quietly throwing money away every single year on problems that cost almost nothing to fix. Problems that start with fogged mirrors, hazy glass, and dull plastic that most people just accept as normal. The tools that solve them are already sitting in your kitchen, bathroom, or garage. Stick with me and you'll walk away knowing exactly how to stop overpaying for detailing and avoid unnecessary shop visits. Hack number 18, potato on side mirror. Your side mirrors turn into useless fogged up glass the second humidity hits or temperatures drop. That fog doesn't just annoy you, it steals precious reaction time when you need it most. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut face firmly across the mirror in overlapping circles. Let the natural starch do its work for a few seconds, then buff the surface dry with a clean microfiber. The starch creates a thin hydrophilic film that forces moisture to sheet off instead of beating into fog. One potato treats every mirror and window on the car multiple times and costs less than $1. Hack number 17, Apple on car windshield. That stubborn hazy film on your windshield turns every sunset drive into a glare nightmare. Regular glass cleaner barely scratches it. Detail shops charge $30 to $50 for a professional polish that does almost the exact same job. Slice an apple in half and rub the cut side directly over the cloudy areas, working the juice into the glass. Follow with a damp microfiber, then a dry one. The natural malic acid gently dissolves the mineral deposits and baked-on road film without scratching the surface. Visibility jumps especially at night and into low sun. Hack number 16, Vaseline on tail lights. Cloudy dull tail lights make your brake lights harder for the car behind you to notice. That lag can cost someone a rear-end collision. Scoop a small amount of Vaseline and work it thoroughly into the foggy plastic lens. Let it sit 2 or 3 minutes, then buff the excess away with a clean cloth. The petroleum jelly fills microscopic oxidation pits and scratches, restoring depth and that rich red glow almost instantly. One jar costs around $4 and revives every light on the vehicle again and again. Tail light fogging is mostly UV oxidation on the outer surface. Hack number 15, toothpaste in pedals. That slight slip under your foot on the gas or brake, especially when the weather turns wet, feels unsettling for a reason. Most people blame worn rubber and start shopping for new pads. Squeeze a little plain white toothpaste onto a damp cloth or old toothbrush and scrub it into the pedal grooves. Rinse and dry completely. The mild abrasives lift the oily film and ground-in grime that has been killing your traction for months. Grip returns immediately and the slip disappears. A tube costs a couple dollars and cleans every pedal repeatedly. Grip loss is almost never wear. Hack number 14, WD-40 on wiper blades. Streaking, chattering wipers make every rainy drive miserable, and the auto parts counter is happy to sell you a $25 to $40 set of replacements. Lift each blade, spray a light coat of WD-40 onto a clean rag, and wipe the entire rubber edge thoroughly. Remove the excess so nothing stays slick, then lower the blade back onto the glass. The solvent dissolves the hardened oxidation and road film that have turned flexible rubber into stiff plastic. Blades glide clean and quiet again. One $5 can revives wipers on every car you own for years. Hack number 13, baby powder on serpentine belt. That high-pitched squeal on a cold start or when you turn the wheel hard can make any driver nervous. Shops love quoting $150 or more for a full belt replacement. With the engine off and cool, lightly dust baby powder onto the belt surface. Start the car and let it run a minute so the powder works in. It absorbs surface moisture and light glazing that cause the belt to slip against the pulleys. The squeal vanishes without a single new part. A $3 bottle treats the belt repeatedly. Many squeals are glazing or moisture. Hack number 12, foil on car headlights. Yellow, hazy headlights cut your night vision and make every dark road feel riskier. Detail shops charge $60 to $100 for a full restoration. Crumple a piece of aluminum foil into a loose ball, dip it in water, and gently rub the headlight lens in light circular motions. Rinse and buff dry. The fine texture acts as an ultra-mild abrasive that polishes away the thin oxidized layer without scratching the plastic underneath. Clarity returns and night visibility improves noticeably. A sheet of foil costs almost nothing and treats every headlight multiple times. Hack number 11, lemon on car battery. Your car cranks slowly or hesitates and the terminals are buried under white or blue-green crust. A mechanic sees that and often quotes a brand new battery on the spot. Disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive. Cut a lemon in half and rub the cut side over the corroded areas. Let the juice sit a minute, scrub with an old toothbrush, rinse with a damp cloth, dry thoroughly and reconnect, positive first. Citric acid dissolves the corrosive buildup on contact and restores a clean metal-to-metal connection. The car starts strong again. Hack number 10, shaving cream on side windows. Side windows fog the moment the temperature drops and you're left wiping glass with your sleeve while trying to drive. Spray a small amount of ordinary shaving cream onto the glass, rub it in with a clean cloth, then wipe it completely clear. The invisible surfactant residue left behind forces moisture to bead and slide off instead of spreading into fog. Windows stay clear in cold and humid conditions. Hack number 9. Vaseline on center console. That creak every time you rest your arm on the console, and the dull, chalky plastic around the lid make the whole interior feel older than it is. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to a soft cloth and work it into the hinge points and surface of the lid. Wipe away the excess. Petroleum jelly lubricates the dry plastic-on-plastic friction that causes the noise and restores a richer sheen to the faded surface. The console opens and closes silently, and the plastic looks darker and healthier again. One jar handles every plastic hinge and interior surface repeatedly. Hack number 8. Soap to clean car key. Your key fob has turned sticky and grimy from months of pocket lint and hand oils. A dry wipe barely touches it. Rub a bar of regular hand soap directly over the entire surface and into the seams around the buttons. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. The soap breaks down the oily film trapped in the crevices a dry cloth can never reach. Buttons feel crisp and responsive again instead of gummy. $1 or $2 bar cleans every key and fob for months. Hack number 7. WD-40 on side mirror squeaking. Every time you adjust the mirrors or hit a bump you hear that faint squeak from the housing. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto the adjustment mechanism and pivot joint, then work the mirror through its full range a few times. The solvent reaches the tiny moving parts and eliminates the friction almost instantly. Mirrors move in complete silence. One $5 can handles both mirrors on every car for years. Mirror squeaks are almost always dry internal hardware, not a failing motor, so this fix solves a problem most people assume needs a shop visit. Hack number 6. Remove cup holder divider. Your cup holders feel too small for a large coffee or wide water bottle, and you've been forcing drinks in at an angle for years. Many cup holders have a removable center divider designed exactly for this. Look at the base for a small tab, notch, or seam. Press or twist gently and the insert lifts out, revealing a much larger single opening. Oversized travel mugs and wide bottles finally fit without a fight. Hack number 5. Vaseline on battery terminal bolts. Months from now you'll need to disconnect the battery and the terminal bolt won't budge. Heat, vibration, and time have locked it in place. After you tighten the bolts to a solid connection, apply a thin coat of Vaseline onto the exposed threads and the head of the bolt, not the contact surface underneath. The petroleum jelly seals out moisture and air, the exact things that cause oxidation and seizing. Months or years later, that same bolt still turns smoothly. One $4 jar protects every underhood fastener for years. A seized battery bolt is one of the most common reasons a simple battery swap turns into an hour-long ordeal at a shop, and it's completely preventable. The same treatment works on any bolt exposed to the elements: control arm bolts, license plate screws, trailer hitch pins, anything that wants to rust solid. Hack number 4. Baby oil on shine car. Dashboard, door panels, and plastic trim have faded into that dull gray look that ages the whole cabin. Detail shops charge $80 to $120 for a full trim revival. Put a small amount of baby oil on a microfiber cloth and wipe thin, even coats onto the plastic surfaces. Buff away any excess so nothing feels greasy. The oil replaces the natural oils the plastic lost to UV exposure and restores deep color plus a subtle factory sheen. The chalky gray disappears and the interior looks richer and newer. A $3 bottle treats every plastic surface repeatedly. Faded trim simply loses its internal oils over time. Baby oil puts them back, the same principle behind expensive restoration products. Hack number 3. Remove bug splatter with dryer sheet. Dried bug guts on the bumper and windshield laugh at regular soap and a sponge. Dampen a regular fabric dryer sheet with water and scrub directly over the residue. The texture plus the softening agents break down the proteins and lift the mess cleanly without scratching clear coat or glass. Stubborn spots that refuse to move with soap come off in seconds. A $5 box gives you dozens of cleaning sessions across every vehicle. Bug residue contains acids that etch clear coat the longer they sit. Hack number 2. Toothpaste to clean fuel cap. The fuel cap and surrounding door are coated in a permanent-looking film of dirt and old fuel residue. Squeeze a little toothpaste onto a damp cloth or old toothbrush and scrub the cap and filler neck area, working into any grooves. Wipe clean with a damp rag. The mild abrasives lift the staining without harming the plastic or rubber seal. The cap looks new again. A dab of toothpaste costs almost nothing and works repeatedly on other small plastic parts. Hack number 1. WD-40 on car rust. Small surface rust spots on wheel wells, door edges, or the undercarriage look innocent until they start spreading. A body shop quotes hundreds for treatment and paint. Clean the area thoroughly, spray WD-40 directly onto the rust and let it penetrate for several minutes. Scrub with a wire brush or fine steel wool, then wipe and dry completely. The solvent breaks down the oxidation while displacing the moisture that feeds it, stopping the corrosion process. Surface rust lifts away and the spread slows dramatically. A $5 can treats every spot repeatedly. Early surface rust is often treatable without any bodywork. Shops push full repair quotes because most people assume rust always means serious metal loss. Follow the treatment with touch-up paint or clear coat and you seal the metal so the same spot never returns. How many of these 18 did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. If this saved you real money, hit subscribe. We drop tested, real-world car fixes like these regularly. There's an even bigger list waiting in the next video. Click it.